You've heard it a million times. Stop cracking your knuckles, you'll get arthritis. But is it actually true? Let's bust this medical myth once and for all. Parents, teachers, and even some doctors have warned us for years that cracking knuckles damages your joints. But where did this idea come from? Is there any science behind it? When you crack your knuckles, you're not grinding your bones. You're releasing gas bubbles in the joint fluid. That popping sound, it's just nitrogen escaping, completely harmless. Several studies, including one by a doctor who cracked only one hand for over 60 years, found no link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. In fact, no major study has ever proven a connection. While cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis, overdoing it can cause minor swelling or reduced grip strength in some people. So moderation is key. So go ahead, crack away. The myth is busted. Arthritis? Not from that. Want more truth behind common medical myths? Subscribe to MediMystery and hit the bell.